rom-coms, dramas, yung mga romance stuff, and my roles are always like yung mabait na anak, someone who's like, parang ano naman, palaban, but alam mo yun, parang mabait na anak. Ganun palagi yung role ko, so lagi akong mabait. So this time, parang I'm happy because I was able to explore and try out a different style of acting as well. And I wanted to see then parang kung ano yung kaya ko pang gawin. Kasi this time around, as in sobrang extreme talaga yung pagkakaiba niya from my previous characters. And to be honest, it is parang something that I've always wanted to do kasi I wanted to see kung ano pa nga talaga yung kaya kong gawin and what other kind of genres or even roles that I can do in the future. And knowing me, you know, I'm very, I love exploring and I like trying different things. So hopefully from here on, sana naman mas maging dark pa yung next characters ko. Or I don't know, let's see. Pero it seems to me that I'm going the darker side of acting. Let's see. Well, at least for the roles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Nadine.
Kala ko dark na yun, hindi pa pala. Pwede pa pala.
Gusto pa niya mas dark.
Pwede pa.
May pupush pa.
Kakagulat pag sila dito.
Palaban na sila.
Palaban, okay. Right now, let's have...
Next we have from TV5, Von Bilinario.
Hi everyone, congratulations po to all the production and the people behind this movie. My question po ay for Sir Aga, Ate V, and Nadine. Grabe yung tema na pinakita rito sa trailer at sa teaser pa lang. But you as actors, how was it dealing with the dark themes of the movie?
I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Personally, you know, when I'm at home, I turn on the TV, the first things that you would really see on my siguro sa streaming app ko would be like true crime, you know, like mystery, mga documentaries, or thriller, suspense. So I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. And I guess I'll leave it at that and let Kuya Aga answer.
Don't Aga, how was it dealing with the dark themes of the movie?
Sabi niyo nga kayo, di ba masaya pa rin sa parang hindi, yung sabihin, lahat, in all honesty, lahat naman tayo, we have our dark side, you know. Mga Kristiyano lang lahat tayo, kaya balanse ang buhay natin. So, para mabigyan naman pagkakataon na ilabas mo yun sa pelikula, libre, gawin mo lahat yun, na walang masasaktan dahil hindi tunay, napakasarap gawin talaga. Masaya na eh.
Ate V?
Siguro sa buong career ko, bihira ako gumawa ng isang dark film. If I'm not mistaken, the last was Tagos ng Dugo. This one, even if they're saying or they are considering this or we are considering this a dark film, but definitely it's dark, but I enjoyed it. Kaya hindi siya dark.
Hindi mo sabi kasi kasama ko nag-i-enjoy sa dark.
Dark daw siya, pero paano mo magiging dark? I-enjoy namin ang ginagawa namin ito. Maybe dark, maybe sa theme, pero at the end of the day, it's a movie. It's a good film. It's a good movie.
Sana showing na talaga ito bukas.
Thank you po, congratulations.
Salamat. Thank you, Bon.
It's
Sabi
nice,
yung
no?
acknowledgement ni Ate V sa iyo kanina. And congratulations pala ulit dun sa win ko sa Cinemalaya. Anong feeling na part ka dito sa pinakamalaking star-studded movie ng MMFF? At lalo na ito yung pinaka-first nung MMFF din.
Hi man, thank you so much. Hanggang ngayon po hindi pa rin nagsisink in na I have the privilege of being part of this cast and part of this team. I work very closely with Ate V in this and I'm very lucky to see her work firsthand. Naintindihan ko kung bakit siya si Vilma Santos. Pero more than celebrating her as an actress, I feel like
what I really loved was being able to celebrate her as a person, because I also saw the heart that she has and the way that she treats everyone on set. And that's not something that everyone gets to see all the time. So that's my favorite thing about working with Natalie. Love you, and
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Gabby.
Thank you. Okay, this time,
Last 3 questions.
last 3. Okay. We move on with Melvin B. Tagula of Melvin of Manila. Is Melvin here? Melvin. Okay. Maybe we go with Jude Cartalaba of the Modern Scribe, Lion RTV, and ABS-CBN. Oh.
Melvin
Is
is
there Melvin?
there.
Okay. Hi, Melvin.
Congratulations in advance to this most awaited movie of the year. My question is for Ron. You've been part of 2 big movies. You have been with Malyari, then this is the second big movie you have. What are your learnings from the senior artist that you work with?
Napakarami ko pong dapat sabihin ko na yung natutunan ko. Especially sa mga nakasama ko last year hanggang ngayon. Siguro yung pinakatumatak sa utak ko yung matuto kang makinig sa kung ano yung sinasabi sa'yo at lagi mong titignan yung karakter mo. Kumbaga ilayo mo yung sarili mo doon sa karakter mo para mas lalo mo ma-portray lalo at mapakita mo yung mabigyan mo ng buhay yung karakter. Ayun po. Salamat.
Thank you very much, Melvin.
Thank you.
Gio and RK.
Okay.
Being also matagal na in the industry, what can you share with the other new cast of the film? What can you share with them? Share with acting or experience with them.
Sa acting?
Yes.
Or your experience in acting in this movie?
I'm okay here.
Okay.
Ako, kasi bawat scene, sa lahat ng dinaanan kong scenes, bawat scene, lagi kang, in general, pag ikay artista, lahat ng scene, dapat meron kang nababaon pa uwi para talagang. So, I think, tama yung sinabi ni Ron na dapat you listen. So, dapat observant ka din on how to, what to take home from the scenes that you do, especially with the ones that are before you. Yan, yun sa RK.
Surprise na. Okay.
Sa acting.
RK.
In terms of acting, kasi nagsisimula lahat before the take. So, sobrang thankful kami kay Direk Dan kasi nilatag niya sa amin lahat ng detalye ng bawat character. Kasi tama yung sinabi ni Kuya Aga na hindi mo na kailangan umarte. And everyone was in their A game na you just have to react to every scene. Sobrang nakakadala, lalo na mga eksena ko kay Kuya Aga. Thank you very much for being generous. Yung collaboration namin sa mga eksena, napaka-direct Dan, maraming salamat. So, in terms of acting, minsan, akala mo yung last project mo, nagawa mo na yung may mga nagawa kang tama. Pero pagdating mo sa day 1, parang kailangan mong itapon lahat yon para mag-absorb ng mga bagong lessons especially from our seniors. So, again, I'm very, very thankful to be part of this cast and,